I received this package during the week from a brand. Let's unbox it. So once I opened the box, of course, this came from Gifter. Gifter does PR for brands. And of course, there is the About Us card talking about the product, the campaign, and what Mizani is trying to do. And yeah, these are the products that came in there. From this side, the first one is the Mizani True Texture, which is supposed to be for curls, coils, and weaves. Is a twist and coil jelly, so this is, you know, will be good for like twist out or when you want to slick your hair backwards. That's one. The second item is the Miracle Length Hairline and Root Stimulator. This is it will give you fuller looking hair in 3 months. Oh wow, that's such a bold statement to make. I'm looking forward to putting that statement to the test. The next item from this packaging is the Mizani 25 Miracle Nourishing Oil. This is a nourishing hair treatment with sunflower, jojoba, olive, and coconut oil. This will be perfect for like styling your hair and keeping it moisturized. The last item is the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk for all hair types. So this is the 25 Miracle Milk from Mizani, and this is perfect for all hair types. So they've said this is a nourishing blend of finesse seed oil and sustainably sourced coconut oil. So this is a leave-in conditioner, and honestly, my hair is in such a state at the moment. I cannot wait to put this to the test and then come back to you guys what my thoughts are. But yeah, that is the first item that I'm unboxing this weekend. Guys, the other thing that I wanted to unbox is this came from YouTube a few days ago. However, I just pulled it out of the cardboard box that it came in and threw the box away. I haven't gone through it, so let's go through it together. As you can see, of course, it has a label and it has that. So I'm going to open it. There are a few items inside. I'm just going to bring them out one after the other. The first thing that I can see is this YouTube umbrella. So I think in September or October, I participated in YouTube Champ, which was a series where we had to post every single day on shorts. I did that, and I think that's part of it. Even though this is what the umbrella looks like. Wow, I love that. I'm going to put this in my work bag because the weather has been moving some type of way lately. But the umbrella seems very, very strong. So, you know, YouTube gave me that. Thank you, YouTube. YouTube is spoiling your girl. Okay, that one is the first item. I'm just going to wrap it up. This is going to end up in my work bag. Definitely. That one. The next thing I can see here, oh my god, that fell out. So this is a wheat straw fiber sunglasses. That also came. I'm gonna try that on. How do I look? This posing is sponsored by YouTube, so hold YouTube responsible. So they sent me that. I'm gonna pop it back in. Oh wow. So I'm gonna pop this back in here. There's still something else. Oh wow, I also got a badge. This is a YouTube Champ badge. YouTube Champ. So anywhere you see me, I'll be wearing that because why not? I'm a YouTube Champ. Oh, that looks really, really cool. Look at that. I'm trying to see if I can get it to focus for you guys. So I'm a YouTube Champ. Yeah, your girl is a YouTube Champ. Oh my god, that is really good. Because to be honest, that 1 month of posting every day, okay. Oh wow, I also get a waist bag. This bag is adjustable, which I like. Comes with that zipper. Is there anything else on the inside? No. It's actually very good. The quality is good. This will be perfect for when I'm doing outdoor runs. Maybe I'm out running, or even if I'm going to, oh wow, look at that. That's how it looks. As one on my body for when I'm going to, maybe if I'm going into the city, maybe like going on errands, going to the market, or if I wanted to, you know, do outdoor runs with like run clubs. That looks really good, and army green is one of my favorite colors, so I absolutely love that. And then finally, the last item is this hold all bag. This hold all, like weekend hold all, weekend duffel bag, weekend travel bag, whatever you want to call it. That all of the items came in. You guys, I'm not even gonna lie, YouTube be spoiling your girl. The other day I got like a package with, you know, notepads, pens, different things. So yeah, that's the other item I wanted to unbox to show you guys what YouTube gave, what YouTube sent to me, apart from the Mizani unboxing that I had done earlier. Thank you all so much. For those of you who are subscribed, thank you guys so much. You guys, these items from YouTube would not have come without your support. So I want to say thank you to every single one of you. I do not take any of this support for granted at all. Thank you so much. Our community is still small, but I absolutely love and appreciate every single one of you. If you're new here, or maybe you just stumbled upon this video, hi, my name is Toyosi. It will be nice to have you join us in this community. If you're a mom and you have children, or you live in the UK, or you live in Milton Keynes, which is my locality, trust me, subscribing to this channel will be beneficial to you. So come on this journey with me. Let's explore this beautiful yet challenging journey of motherhood together. And yeah, I just wanted to, you know, show you guys that item that also came, so that you guys know the benefit that we get for creating content and being consistent. Like I said, YouTube Champ was something that we did in October. It was a case where every YouTuber was encouraged to create a short per day for the entire month. I posted a short every single day for the month of October, and YouTube, even though, so there were like different tiers of winning. While I didn't make any of those tiers, YouTube found my effort worthy of reward, so they sent me this package. So yeah, thank you guys for making all of this happen. Make sure you subscribe.